What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all new around the hood in 8 minutes for you today. I am on my way to the new Last Mile PEV shop in Chelsea. They're hosting a kickoff party for the Electrify Expo and a grand opening event for their new shop. And then after that, there's going to be a nighttime group ride. So I got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. So I got the Chimera with me today. My power settings are dialed super low because I don't want to burn out a battery on the group ride if we end up going far. I'm pedaling the whole way there basically. The idea is to just conserve my battery, but I'm excited to see the new shop. It's a bigger space. It's over in Chelsea, and I know there's going to be some people I'm looking forward to meeting there. So like the Jackrabbit CEO, this guy Jason, looking forward to meeting him. We're going to work together for some Electric Wednesday stuff in the future. Beautiful day here in the park, cutting through, continuing on 25th Street, pedal to the max. Just crossed over 9th Ave. As soon as I head underneath the High Line, it should be on my right. I gotta say, it's so nice to pedal this Chimera. It's effortless, it's so light. A lot of traffic here for the tunnel. It's Friday night, you know, everyone's looking to get out of here. So I'm a little bit on the early side, I think. The party gets going at 4. And then the group ride starts at 7. You see the signage. Nice. Oh yeah, I'm early. All right. I'll see you on the inside.
I'm gonna have to find parking, man.
What's up, man?
This one, I can't park here, right?
I don't know.
Lorenzo. You see Lorenzo?
Hey, Mr. Tapia. Pleasure to meet you. It's Johnny Prime.
Johnny Brown.
Great to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
I love your products.
Lorenzo's son.
Nice to meet you. All right, let's check out this store. Nice shirt. I pedaled all the way here. Check out this store, man. Yeah. Wow, this place is huge. It's crazy. I mean, they have inventory now. That's pretty cool. They have stock. Ready for the expo? Bike is all tuned up nice.
I'm about to bring it out right now.
Oh, sick. Awesome.
I'm just saying, so he got to go from Jersey to my crib. And then
Man, what a shitty paint job. Damn, dude, this looks sick.
The worst one yet.
So what's
A terrible paint job.
So just
You doing the group ride tonight, Frankie?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, absolutely,
All right.
man. Short one. Should be fun.
Yeah. Oh, we got some liquid death over here? What's up? What's up? Dirtbag brands. I like that. Look at these ugly bikes. What's up? What's up?
yeah, PEVs and them.
What's up? Mr. Tapia himself. You know your chain's off, right?
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Parking right here? Yeah. No, all you?
What's your bike, Frankie? Oh, I see it.
Reese James fucking up some people last night.
Took care of the whole.
Nice. There's the man.
Yo, we gotta, at some point, we gotta put ours next to each other. Take a photo.
I got it.
We're off. It's my first official nighttime group ride. Very cool. See if the camera isn't too shaky. Here we go, tunnel time. Times Square, baby. Man, it is crowded. Holy shit. So many people. It's unbelievable. Another successful group ride with the Chimera.
Kasi meron ako dalawang
So Marcos ordered a chromoly steel Chimera and he's trying mine at full rip.
Time to go home to the wife.
Yep, that's right. That's it. We did it. Around the hood in 8 minutes. Last Mile Electrify Expo kickoff party and grand opening. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.